Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So the Redmi Note series is most important for Xiaomi and one that helps cement the company's success in the Indian market. Last year's Redmi Note 8 Pro was one of the best selling phones. Now Redmi is gearing up to launch the Redmi Note 9 series smartphone. Last week we learned that the Redmi Note 9 series launch event will take place on March 12th at an online only event. Now noted tipster Ishan Agarwal came through with some more details on this phone. Typically there is a regular Redmi Note and Pro variant that launches along with it. With the Redmi Note 9, some are suggesting a Note 9 Pro Max model might be on the way as well. There's also talk of Redmi 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro, but in this video we will take a look only at the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So without waiting anymore, let's get started. The Note 9 Pro is expected to come with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a punch hole cutout. It would feature a 20:9 aspect ratio, a common thing found in many modern smartphones. There will be no AMOLED display this time too. I really hoped we could see AMOLED display, but apparently that's not gonna happen. There is Gorilla Glass 5 protection for the phone, probably on the front and on the rear. About high refresh rate, currently we don't know anything regarding that, but keeping in mind this is Redmi, we are in big surprise. According to leaks, it's said to be powered by Snapdragon 720G chipset. The processor is made with Samsung's 8nm LPP process and has 6 Cryo 465 Silver high-efficiency cores and 2 high-performance Cryo 465 Gold cores. It is pretty powerful and is similar in performance to Snapdragon 730G. It will be accompanied with 4GB and 6GB RAM, while storage options will be 64GB and 128GB. The Redmi Note 9 Pro will also offer support for Navic satellite positioning system that was developed by Indian Space Research Organization. As for cameras, we know that it has 4 cameras thanks to all the teasers, but it looks like this one will have a 48MP main camera according to leaks. The previous Redmi Note 8 Pro had a 64MP camera, and this might appear to be a downgrade to some folks, unless Xiaomi's real Pro this time is actually the Pro Max that gets the camera upgrade. Additionally, there's an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro lens with depth photography capabilities. On the front though, we will see a more modern style punch hole module that will house a 16MP shooter. Battery wise, we should expect a 50-20mAh cell with 18W charging speeds, that is according to leaks, but according to FCC listing, the max charging speed is 30W. So still there is some mystery left regarding the charging speeds, but the battery capacity is confirmed. It will run on Android 10 OS out of the box with the company's in-house MIUI 11 baked on top. The Redmi Note 9 Pro will come in Aurora Blue, Glacier White and Interstellar Black color options. One of Jain's tweet has 49 in it, which the community suspects is indicative of the price tag of the phone. If this is correct, the Redmi Note 9 series could start at Rs 9,999, which presumably would be for the base price for Redmi Note 9. The Note 9 Pro will be in the range of 13K to 15K price tag. As usual, we will make sure to update you once more information is available. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.